Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your first week of May reading start from the 1st to the 7th of May 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see how the first week is going to be for the sign of Leo. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading plus charms as well. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you Leos, it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal beats, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily reads. So yeah, let's see how this is going to be for you guys. Leos, let's begin. Page of Swords, Four of Wands. Somebody's really looking forward to have something beautiful with someone. Now, I would suggest you to be very careful. If you are with your specific someone and you are happy with that specific someone, then there is somebody in your life or in the life of the person that you are dealing with who is watching you two from a distance, and they are kind of spying on you, or they are like be careful with that kind of stuff as well. For some of you, maybe it's an ex of yours or it's an ex of another person, the person that you're dealing with. They could be like seeing you happy, seeing you excited, seeing you content with whatever you share together in your love life. Now, whoever this person is, it seems like you have to be careful with that. And that person's intention could be anything. Maybe they want to break you guys connection up. Maybe they want to shake up the foundation of your connection as well. So be careful if you listen or hear any news, gossip, anything to do with those kind of things. Make sure you don't pick a fight with your person for because you heard something from someone about your person, because maybe there is a strong chance of you getting some sort of a misinformation from another person around your person, and that someone is or could be this person who's watching over you, or the two of you together. So be careful with the maybe it's a secret admirer for you and your person as well. Maybe it could be that as well. It can be somebody new who is having feelings for you, and they really don't want to you to be with that your specific someone. Maybe they want you to be theirs. So that could be the case for some of you. There could be somebody in your life who will be watching you and your person together. So just be careful with that. If you try, or if you meet your person, make sure you are not being chased by another person, because there is something to do with something fishy happening for you there. Let's take more cards here for Wands, and then we do have the King of Pentacles. Then we do have Page of Wands, Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords. I do see that somebody is definitely going to try to bring some mess in your connection with your specific someone. And just be careful with that. Don't pick up any argument, fight. Don't end a connection thinking like maybe your person is cheating on you and stuff like that. No, just get the clarity around the situation first, and then make any decision if you want to make, because there is a strong chance of you making a wrong decision based on some sort of misinformation. So make sure you don't do that. Now, for those of you who are happy with your person, and you really want, maybe you are in no communication or no touch with your person, you're really looking forward to have a beautiful love life with your person, but somehow your person is not invested in your connection right now. Now, it's not that they don't want it, it's just that maybe they are too occupied right now with something else happening in their life. So maybe you will be on the waiting side for your person to message, to come, to talk to you much, because your person is not having enough time right now for the connection. Now, in that situation too, you are very vulnerable to get any misinformation, get the best of you or your connection with your specific someone. Just be careful with your connection this week time, because it seems like you are vulnerable to get attacked by other people towards your connection, or if not, then you have a strong chance of thinking negative around your person and the way they are not giving you enough time in this connection. So just be careful with that. Underneath the deck, we do have the Knight of Wands. Um, Underneath that, we do have the Ace of Wands. It seems like, you and your connection with your person seems to be perfectly fine. Maybe they are not giving you much time, but at the same time, it has nothing to do with them not interested in you. But yes, this person here could be troublesome for some of you out there. So let's see what the Oracle has to add to the read for you guys. Let's see. Step back. It is important right now to take a step back and spend some time alone. Give all your time to yourself. If you are waiting for your person, make sure you get yourself busy doing something else. Don't pick up any argument, fight, thinking that maybe your person is with someone else, because they are not. There is somebody else in your life or in their life who's going to make you feel that way, but in actuality, that's not the reality. So make sure you don't let someone tell you a different story around it and confuse you or make you upset with why your person is not giving you enough time. In actuality, your person is occupied with their work or something to do with their finances. So just be careful with that. Let's take more cards. The heart of the matter is there is more going on than meets the eye. So there are a lot of things happening and you are unaware of those things. Maybe you're going to see your person online a lot. Maybe, if you are somebody who's a very social media person, and you're going to feel like, your person is always online. They are not ignoring, they are ignoring my messages, they are ignoring my text, and then this and that. And then what happens is you start kind of having your concerns. Maybe they are with someone else and stuff like that. In actuality, they are not. It's just that maybe they are having some time, some conversation regarding their work situation online. So you cannot think just one thought that maybe they are with someone specific. In actuality, they are not. And you are just overthinking, and you need to have the clarity around the situation. Make sure you don't let another person take advantage of this situation and corrupt your mind around your person and the situation in your love life as well. Just be careful with that. There could be a secret admirer and an ex as well. Acceptance. I feel like you will find it very hard to accept that your person is all yours. You would have your fears kind of creeping in. You would have your inner mind chatter kind of make you believe something negative. I do see that very strongly here. Let's take one more card from this deck, and then we're going to take the charms. Look at the bigger picture. Again, I feel like there's so many things that you are unaware of, and it has nothing to do with another person in their life. It's more about you don't know what's going on in their life, so you just make up stories in your mind about that. So yeah, let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms have to add to the read for you guys for the first week time. So yeah, we do have 4 alphabets: E, N, T, and I. So these could be your name initial of the person that you're dealing with. You are overthinking, and you're going to be overthinking about your person a lot in this week time. And the worst thing is, even if you are thinking, even if you are overthinking, if you think positive only and you are thinking overthinking or going with the overthinking, it's perfectly fine. But you are thinking a lot, and that too negative, which is wrong, which is going to create that messy situation for yourself. There is a lot of love in this connection, but somehow you are letting the doubts, fears creep in, which is definitely going to create a lot of mess in your life with your person. I don't see the mess happening in this week time, but I do see that coming forward in the next week time, maybe for some of you. It depends. If you let this, lack of clarity or understanding that there is it's a small, like, if you don't know what is your person doing, and if they are busy, and you don't know what they are busy with, don't make your own stories around it. Maybe you're going to feel like, maybe they are traveling with someone else, maybe they are doing this and that. No, they are not. It's just that you just need to relax, and that's pretty much it. Stop overthinking and indulge into things that make you feel positive around the situation, and try to accept that you and your person are perfectly fine with each other. It's just that, yes, you have to kind of shut the the mind chatter plus the people who are going to make you feel like maybe there is something wrong between you and your person. There's nothing wrong in the connection as of now, but yes, if you let those doubts, fear creep in, trust me, it can spoil the connection. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on the email ID in the description box. Till later, the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.